Hello and welcome back to the Nosvw channel on this cold, wintry day. We have some new equipment. As you can see, I'm not the best at this, I'm struggling to use it, but hopefully things will get better and the video quality will get better. I shall show you some of the work we've been working on already this year. We had a bit of a surprise also today. Tim and Fuzz from SOS were filming a new video for a new program they've got coming out this year. I can't say what car it was, but they said it will be out in March. As you can see, we're back on the 1973 tin top Devon bay window. Just before Christmas, I've jet washed the whole underside and cleaned it all off, any loose underseal, and I've redone it again, re-undersealed it again with Waxel. The other stuff was like a sort of Gravitex, more of a stone chip. So in my opinion, it just didn't look, and I don't think it was offering the protection we needed. I've also stripped all the brakes out, brake lines, handbrake cables, steering, everything stripped out ready. I've just left it just rolling so I can move it around. But as you can see, I've not Waxelled anything on the back because it's got adjustable spring plates going in there. I've got some powder coated covers there off some other covers I had knocking around. I've just whacked on there so the suspension doesn't fall off. The front axle, we've got the axle I fitted off the Californian axle. I converted from left to right hand drive previous in another video. That's to go on there. And I've had the steering box off and put it back on again because below where that steering eye is was totally torn off. Somebody used the towing eye to tow it onto the recovery truck and ripped it clean off the chassis. So I've cut the bottom of the chassis out, butt welded a piece of steel in there and welded the towing eye back on. But yeah, the next job would be obviously to remove the axle, fit the other axle in, new brakes, run all the hard lines for the mass cylinder because it's now going to have the servo assisted brakes on there rather than a non-servo. My brother's got to go through the engine and just go through the engine and just not rebuild it, just refreshen it, put some new seals, etc. in it. Just give it a check over and a clean up really. But we're slowly getting there. Thanks for watching and look out for updates on the next video. Oh, and thanks to my son Isaac for buying me the GoPro that, as you can see, I'm struggling to use. But thanks, that was a brilliant Christmas present. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.